Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a certificate or design a certificate in Canva, and this is a very easy skill, and this skill is you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. So it is just a time, it just take 5 or 6 minute time, or maybe less. It depend on your designing speed. So let's go to Fiverr and check that there is a demand of this skill or not. So I am going to Fiverr marketplace. Fiverr.com is one of the top freelancing platform from where which you can sell your services online, and you can also buy services from other freelancers. So I write here certificate design. Certificate design. So there are 1703 services available. It means that 1703 freelancers are providing these services, and this is a very good skill to work on. So let's click on this gig and analyze his gig, that which services he is offering. So in basic plan he charged $10 and provide two awesome certificate design. Choose one of them and unlimited revisions, and these are the formats. After that he charged in standard package $20 and three awesome certificate design. Choose one. And in premium he charged $30 and standard package plus premium touch mockup editable MS Word PPTX file. So I think this is a very good skill and very good money. You can just have to work 3 or 5 minutes, and you can create a beautiful and attractive certificate in Canva and sell this for $10, $20 and $30. So our Fiverr part is over, and let's go to Canva and start our designing part. So here in search bar I write certificate. Landscape. It is loading. It depends on the internet speed. My internet speed is low, so bear with me and wait for some seconds. So that's it, and I click on create a blank certificate landscape, and it will show me in the next video, next window. It is loading. Till then bear with me and wait for some seconds. So it is loaded, and I want to pick one of the templates, and these are very good templates, and I think this one is good. So this is a certificate, and I think that one is good. Yes, this is good. And certificate of appreciation proudly presented to. First of all, I would like to change the background color in red. Yeah, that's good. And after that I change the name. John William proudly present to this, and after that he is a student of very so you can write the paragraph here, and you can also customize the date, like 22 October 2022, and here you can also change these head of event, and that's your choice. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn the skill and earn good amount of money. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.